Hey, odofo na say Niger Gezi Asem na enye chese enya asem ketuo. Enya small case na eka ne saa no. Chese NPP aban so no. Ena ono no chese ensuo no use ni free. No use nsuo ni free no mo chi no. Ena mo kwa disconnect say ensuo no. No mo disconnect ye no. Ghana Water Company ni de omunim say o ma disconnect Niger Gezi asolidan ensuo a oni nsuo ho. Not knowing say ono ankasa watutu ahihye wadan ne ho engineer e na ote asore dem o watutu ahihye na wabu nsuo na gumu a chese Niger Gezi na adwene nyina ne say NDC for ba power chese bibi ahye ne nsa e na fofi anto ata NDC for a reject no eno na emi obi wo asole ho a Niger ho ye nahi wakwa akote ne to omum ye ntie manager wo kasa Asem beni
Hill Chapel, led by prophets reconnected its water supply and removed its meter following initial disconnection.
We disconnected the prophet Niger Gezi, and we went there. Reconnection had taken place. The meter was nowhere to be found. So we needed to bring in the police to enable us to disconnect again. And our people, indeed, because of the police presence, we have been able to effect the disconnection again. We have invited him to come to our office.
I am critical.
He's owing 6,923 Ghana cedis, 13 pesos.
Can you imagine? As a serious offense.
Can you imagine?
The company will not hesitate to pursue prosecution if its legal team deems it necessary.
And in fact, this is the reason I'm doing this interview. So we want it to be known by everybody in Ghana that those days are gone. When people could reconnect themselves and get by with it. No. This one, we are going to tell our lawyer if there is a need for some legal remedies to be...
Papa woka say, lawyer baby na say ko hunu. Eni pe makwa ko hu say, ensuo wo use ni free. Enti dia evidence biem na mu evidence ne da ho mo kwa disconnect nsuo no mo kwa e wa bu nsuo ni fiti since amomo disconnect e no ada ne ho engineer eno ahihye eno wa adwiri eno wo bu nsuo ni gum enti e dia evidence biem na ohia papa wo ka say
we will do it.
Anaya Oberima Banye also urged the public to clear their outstanding bills, warning that the company is prepared to disconnect any customer in debts regardless of the amount.
It takes the bills you pay 100 cedis, 20 cedis, 3,000, 2,000 for us to be able to treat the heavily polluted water that we abstract from these rivers. And if you don't pay your bill, how do we buy chemicals to process the water, to treat the water? So we are not taking this any longer. Even if you owe us 200 Ghana cedis, we will come and disconnect you, and we will expect that you pay that money to the last person before we reconnect you.
As of October 2025.
And you're not odofo, you run an abani, and I'm got here a buy. Was he? And found so chesa usika esha, what the kaki to a baby trim. Because en suena wa Ghana ni na say ene kwakwakwakwa ese milo no waye tea na mokanka ho no kire say omo pe chemicals no de atsenso na ni etumi e de afa pipe yi mu ablem mo afiefie mu mo seda nya de ambetua ene e ba sa de nsufin na eno mbechim egu mo pipe mu amamanom na yewura Niger Gezi ade na yesa osofo prophet mu a wo hye nkoma ne ba mu e de na baaye anu ti krono de ente sei eno aba ne saa no wo de watch akese suit akese mpabo akese be sheki wo media yi so say watch no say de cartel ana monfa comment section mon tronto way wo to an ho ni billion it is ensure 60 something million wabua untumi ntwea we na wabu ni kura no mahu na de wabu na kire say meter na ensi so na wabu no eno nka ho we ye krono ankasa wabo oman ne krono esese aban no edo family kwan so because onyo oman bapa wutumi ye campaign say NDC beba power enti na ka wo ye say ya na NDC forma wo chance ya na chese nka omu hunu say wo ye illegal connection e wo asole ho mebo a ECG fuei mo wo hene mo nkwa ho me da maka akira monko na monko hwe so on twemfa mu a watwe afa mu a ehon so montwetwam because obo aban ne ka a prophet fo aba so fo aba mofa no kore enya adwuma enema ketenketi we ni nyina esi enhira ho kwan wo ti asore dem wo wie nsuo den no anya tumi aba be hye enkom ewo obi so den na awrade anu nyama ba so se ko na ko hye enkom ewo obi ho aya munyi moni ase mpu na mansa na maka obi de Asem be ni a prophet fo yo